Like, without hesitation, you jump off the couch.
All right.
It's a $50 bill right
I did
there.
it for free.
That's going to make a lot smaller pieces.
Yeah, just
Alright.
Okay.
No, no.
Go ahead.
Right.
Bruce, if somebody has to go to the hospital, you're taking it.
He's not going to go to the hospital unless he's allergic.
You did it.
There's no going back now.
No, go
Well,
there.
there is a little bit, but not all the way.
Oh, it hit him.
It's funny. The only way you can mess up now.
Bro, there's a throw bucket. There's
He's
a
not-
throw
he's
bucket.
not-
The only way. The only way you can
How about
go
this,
back
Chip?
now.
Because if you throw up, I'll still give you 20.
Let him go. He's trying to swallow it.
Okay.
Oh, did it go down? I saw the swallow muscles happen.
His tongue is on fire
Well,
right
I would say you owe him at least 30 if he throws up. Take out 20.
Is it down?
Yeah.
Is it hot?
Well, yeah. You got it?
Hold on.
now. Wait, we have
Wait,
to
wait.
wait.
It's not fully settled in yet.
Breathing makes it. There's milk. You can use milk. Milk's allowed. Milk will help.
It's a
Yeah, you
full
better hurry,
jug
you better
because
hurry,
that's
you
all we
better hurry.
have.
Don't spill it.
It's a full jug because that's all we have.
You're okay.
He did it.
Everyone in this room is rooting for you but Ross.
I'm rooting for him too.
Oh, that makes it so much better.
I want him to have this
Only
50.
for a second.
I just
I,
found that out.
I just found that out. Yeah, no, Mike, I'm rooting for him too. I
Thing
want
is, the pepper plus the milk will curdle in your stomach, makes it more likely that you'll throw up.
What?
He didn't tell him that.
The bread there, eat the bread.
Yeah,
Eat the bread.
Eat the freaking bread.
The bread, where'd that bread go?
It's behind it.
No,
Get the
you're
pi-
right, you're right, you're okay.
Hey,
Bread.
Justice, eat the pizza crust.
Pizza crust.
You're okay. You're okay.
Hey, wash your hands. Don't touch
Yeah, don't touch your face.
Don't
It'll
touch
be
your
so
eyes.
bad.
I'm telling you, that sucks so much.
Go here, bread. Wash your hands.
There's already bread, but
Yeah, this is probably better bread. Like as far as like
You're
healthy
good. You're
spice.
okay.
You're good,
Oh.
Justice.
You're alright, Justice.
Oh,
well, there's a
boy.
throw bucket.
Don't root for him to throw up. Shut up.
I'm just
No.
warning him.
I don't want him to throw up either. Like I said, I want him to take this 50 from me at this point.
I want him to do it too,
How long does
but
this
like
last?
What?
How long does this last?
a while.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
It'll get better in like 5-10 minutes.
Eat the bread. Eat the
Take a bite of that
You're
bread.
okay. You're
Eat the bread.
Does the bread help?
I don't know.
Would water be good?
Not really. I mean, it's something.
Killian's even entertained.
Killian's smiling.
Is he actually?
I believe.
I believe
Justice.
in my powers.
Wait, Ross, why are you?
Hey, maybe try the ice cream. Get him ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Yes, that would be
Wait,
great.
Ross, why are you crying? You
Ice
didn't
cream
even
is a
need
super
anything.
idea.
Oh, we have it. Oh yeah, there's that right there.
I believe in the power. Where is it? My teammates?
Our Justice.
Does that help?
I believe in Steve.
Go get the thing of ice cream out.
Okay, just get the tub. Bring a spoon.
He's just holding it in his mouth right now.
That's smart.
Are you okay, Justice?
Oh.
Help!
Ice cream.
Open it up.
He goes, hurry!
Oh, he's desperate.
Ice cream.
Every time.
Is that good? Does that help?
Every time he thinks a bite, it's just like
Back my throat yet.
What's that?
It's not in the bag. My
where
The ice
is it
cream?
feel where it hurts? Oh.
Yeah, what hurts more?
I love how every time he takes
Yeah,
a
what's
bite,
the
he's
worst
like,
right now?
The back of my throat.
Okay.
Oh, I know.
I love how every time he takes a bite.
Is it getting better yet?
I mean, the ice cream at least helps.
Don't let-
Yeah,
You
you
should
know,
start
Alec.
to feel better by now. You
Yeah.
should start to feel better.
It's cooling off. I
Oh my god.
have experience in this.
It'll be worth it.
Yeah.
It'll be worth it
Someday.
Yeah.
someday.
Hey, just wait till it comes out the other end.
Oh.
Wait, that.
What?
It's gonna be like shooting fire out the backside.
Are you kidding me?
Wait, what? You didn't tell me this.
You barely ate any, Clayton. Calm down.
But like, I'm gonna fire out of my
Hey,
pocket.
this is like
Is he getting the clear now?
this is like 50
Like as
bucks.
far as storing up?
Hey, I don't think he's gonna throw up. I don't think.
No, I think
And it's already too late for him to spit it out. So there you go. That's a $50 bill right there.
If you poop it out, you lose.
Yeah.
well done.
You're still not happy about it, though, are you?
Yeah.
Is it
You
worth
need to shut up, Clayton.
Is it worth the 15?
Yeah.
Shut up as well.
He's staring out
Shut
the whole
up,
time.
Clayton. He ate more than you.
And all at once.
Hey,
Hey,
what if
you know what, though? Clayton was the first one brave enough to even try it, so you guys can...
Hey, what if Mark throws
Slow
in
down.
another 20 for the habanero?
No.
Oh no, I'm out.
Yeah.
Caleb said that the habanero felt like a sweet pepper.
Compared to his.
So
I
you're
don't
saying
have
if he eats
cash.
the habanero,
I
it'll
put all
help
of my
the
cash
ghost
in the
pepper go
bank.
down?
No. I'm telling you no.
Is
I-
it getting better yet?
I had 3 different.
I
I
guess
had
so.
3
Are
You
kidding
guess
me?
in
so?
my house burning my mouth at once.
How long
Trust
did it
me,
take to
hurts.
start after you ate it?
Oh, like...
Like
Yeah, when
5
did you?
seconds?
Yeah, when did you feel the heat hit?
I think as soon as you chomp down, like
When did you know you were in trouble?
It gets,
started to
it
hit
gets,
pretty-
it's like, it feels like,
What? What's now?
See,
it
see,
heats up.
that's a good sign because he's like, ha, rather than.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bro,
good,
it
though.
heats up. It like,
I know, Clayton.
See, yeah, it sucks now, but like in 20 minutes, you're definitely gonna thank yourself.
Yeah, because you got
You
50
made,
bucks.
You made $50 in like 15 minutes. That's $200 an hour.
It's been, it's been 6 minutes so far.
Yeah, and that's I started
Yeah,
it
you're
before you
feeling
actually
better.
bid it. So.
Exactly. So you made 50 bucks. You made money faster than any of us in this room do.
Yeah, but I don't. It was,
He's still earning his money right now.
Yeah, it's
though.
true. It's still
Killian
gonna be
is
later
so-
on.
It's still costing him pretty bad right now.
he's so
Yeah.
entertained.
Oh,
Are your uncle silly?
And your dad. He is.
So I would say stop for a minute, see how long it takes for it to hit and how hard it hits now.
Yeah. Stop eating ice cream.
Let the ice cream stop for a second.
was there an
Or just don't.
afterburn?
You don't have to do that. You already
Well, no,
ate it.
just like see if you're in the.
I just
clear
want to see
now.
if you're how close you are in the clear.
Like, see if you can survive without the ice cream.
Your legs are shaking. Like, what's up, bro?
I mean, he's in pain.
Still hitting hard?
Yes.
Where's it hitting now?
Everywhere.
Like
Half
mouth?
of my mouth. Tongue.
Is it still bad?
Yeah. I can't. I need it.
I need it.
Oh, oh.
Is any of this for a show? Like, are you just trying to entertain right now, or like, what?
I
No.
doubt it.
This.
We'll do a Carolina Reaper next time.
No. I'm
No.
never-
Now,
I-
Carolina Reaper's double that.
Yeah.
I am
Yeah, so
never
how about-
eating a Carolina Reaper.
Aaron, what about this? If we bring a Carolina Reaper back, they said that's about twice as hot. So what if I offer you 4 times as much?
That'd be $200.
I don't know if I can do
I
that.
do it.
1 pepper.
I do
Clayton,
it.
you would probably cry, dude.
No,
wouldn't.
not-
No, you
No.
gotta sign a waiver to do the one he just did.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
No,
Fortunately for him,
What
I don't know if I'd have let him do it. That
That's
was
a ghost pepper.
that's a ghost pepper.
Oh, was it really?
Hottest natural pepper in the world.
I didn't know that.
Carolina Reaper is
Dang.
Carolina Reaper is hotter, but it's genetically modified. So
Dude, I would have thrown that
Christopher is the
thing
world's
out
hottest
$50
natural
and not
pepper.
known what I was getting myself
still a hybrid,
into.
Well,
Yeah,
yeah,
but
but
it's
like,
like,
it's
something
not
like
genetically
that.
I didn't know
modified.
what it was.
If Mark, if you ate what I just ate, you would. It wouldn't be a question that none of this is for show. It
Oh,
is
I don't doubt it for
painful.
a second.
Yeah.
See what you can do, Mark? That's a habanero sitting there. The ghost pepper is 8 times as hot as the habanero. So you can have a bite of that habanero and you can find out, you can give a little clue what's going on there.
Not a little clue.
You won't enjoy the habanero.
You
Definitely not.
Is it starting to calm down now?
Yeah. At least.
Okay. I know I've said this twice already, but he looks actually so entertained though.
Yep, that's what the time you said that.
Who genetically or
So is it,
modified?
where is it now? Is it still bad now?
It's getting better.